Back in the beginning of the year, I decided I wanted to do something kind of fun and different for the channel, and I thought a giveaway challenge would be a really cool way for people to push themselves out of a comfort zone and maybe do something they wouldn't normally do and put themselves out there. And the whole time I was envisioning how awesome it would be for someone to receive some gear in the mail, even a guitar. And today is the day you get to see who ended up winning that guitar. But real quick, I just want to thank everyone again who had some part in this. Everybody that commented on the videos, everybody that submitted a video, everybody played a role, and it was really cool. This has been a really positive experience. I've definitely learned a lot. Overall, I've been really impressed with everyone's playing, the participation. I've been really impressed with all those things, but they all pale in comparison to how impressed I am with how positive everybody's been. Out of all the hundreds of comments that were left for the whole duration of these challenges, there were almost no negative comments or anybody saying anything to put somebody down or anything like that. Pretty much every single thing was positive and uplifting, and that's what it's all about. That's really the feeling I get when I go to a Phish show, and I want to thank you guys for representing Phish fans really beautifully. I'm so happy that everybody decided to do this and be a part of it. And without further ado, the winner of the Down with Disease Challenge, winning the Paul Reed Smith guitar, is Kyle. So Kyle was kind enough to get some footage of himself receiving the guitar and checking it out and some commentary and stuff. So here's Kyle sharing his brand new PRS guitar with you guys.
All right. Hi, everybody. I'm Kyle Sloan. I'm at work currently, and super excited to unbox this guitar finally. Whole body effort. All right. There we go. Yeah. Oh boy. So cool. Oh, let's get it up here. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Wow. What a beautiful instrument. Close up. Look at that top. It's so cool. And then the back. Check that out. Really nice looking neck also. Oh man, this cutaway. It's got like really nice wood grain in there. If I can even get a shot in there. Frets feel nice. The neck feels nice. I love how this neck feels. Let's tune it up. Tuners feel nice. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh yeah, we got. Oh, there's a little note. Oh my god. A little handwritten note from Chris. Congrats on winning the challenge and the guitar. You are a special player, and it was really cool to see so many people recognizing it. That's very sweet. Thanks, Chris. I hope that the guitar brings you some joy, and it's bringing me a lot of joy already, and inspires you to write a new song or something, cover a new technique, or something, a new technique. I will figure that out later. Stay in touch and keep rocking. Thanks, Chris. I want to take a second to say thanks to Chris for putting the whole thing together, and you know, his attitude has been really positive for like this whole thing, and I really respect that, and I really I think it's a really positive thing for the Phish community and you know, fans of the band and guitar players in general, and you know, I really love how positive his personality is. Oh my god, this is a fresh pack of strings. Oh dude, thank you so much. That's so cool. Thank you. That's awesome. Wow. And all the PRS goodies as well.
thing rocks. I love how it plays. You really, oh man, the pickups, you just dig in, it bites. Love that. Feels great in my hands. It's a brand new guitar, so it's a little stiff right now, but I'm sure it's gonna break in awesome. I am reading off a prompt because I had a hard time organizing my thoughts. Thanks to everyone who participated, everybody who voted, everybody who watched and gave feedback, everybody who participated in this in any way. Thank you. You know, what a cool opportunity. You know, what a cool group, what a cool community. You know, it's been a really positive place to for musicians and Phish fans to come together and work towards a greater love and understanding for the music that, you know, resonates so deeply with all of us. Thank you to Chris for putting these challenges together. Your love and passion and positivity really radiates through the community that you've created, and I'm really excited to see this community continue to flourish. I also wanted to thank my fiance Tevi. That's Tevi with a V. I worked on submission videos for this challenge for a few days, and with sore fingers and kind of not super excited about my results, she convinced me to try it again for one more day, and also convinced me to stop worrying about what I think other people want to hear, and instead just play what I want to hear. And the submission that made the top 5 was the result of her loving encouragement and my willingness to listen. So thank you, Tevi. Big thank you to Playing with the Band Jam Tracks for the jam tracks for this video. The background music that you're hearing is from a jam from 2022 with my band from high school, Cardboard Mansion. That can be found on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at KyleSL1 if you'd like to see more, or on YouTube at Animals. The L is a 1. Thanks to all my students, friends, family for supporting and loving me. You know, I really appreciate everybody. I hope we get to do this again someday. You know, what a cool opportunity. What an awesome time this has been. You know, what an awesome couple of months. Much peace and love to all. Happy playing. Take care, everybody.